Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to do a factory reset of your Samsung Smart Monitor M8. At first, click the home icon to go to home and go to the left. Here go to the settings and all settings. Now go to the general privacy settings and here scroll all the way down. Here they have factory data reset. Click that and enter your PIN code to your monitor. Click reset and now all the information about this monitor will be resetted and you won't have any data. Of course your account will be here and your account won't be deleted, but you will be locked out from every single application and you will have to set up your monitor once again as you bought it like new. As you can see, it takes a while, so let's wait a moment until we see that it's done. Now as you can see, our screen went black and in a moment we'll see the screen like brand new. As you can see, the monitor is now ready for the setup. That's it, hope it helps and have a nice day. Goodbye.